Griffith Observatory is an iconic Southern California landmark and one of the most popular public attractions in Los Angeles. It is located on the slopes of Griffith Park in the neighborhood of Los Feliz and is home to around 1.5 million visitors per year. You can see some spectacular views of Los Angeles, including downtown LA and the historic Hollywood sign. Visitors can take in the views, look through telescopes, explore astronomy exhibits, and there's a cafe and a gift shop here as well. I definitely recommend watching the show at the Planetarium, a unique experience that combines live-action narrative with a breathtaking view of the night sky and a unique IMAX type experience. When they say it's a journey through space and time, well, they're not kidding here. It's not hyperbole. My kids really enjoyed their time here. They really liked it, and we had a great time visiting. If you like this video, be sure to click on the thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel and be sure to leave a comment in the comment section down below. Cheers and see you next time.